Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a healthy vegetarian recipe from Assam called Paleng Xaak or Spinach Khar. This simple green leafy vegetable is prepared with Bengal gram and khar, which you might be hearing quite often on my channel as it is a special alkaline liquid prepared in Northeast India, so don't switch and watch this video till the end. For this dish we need spinach, Bengal gram which I have pre-soaked in water for a couple of hours, khar or cooking soda, finely chopped green chillies, finely chopped garlic cloves, salt and oil. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Add the garlic cloves and chopped green chillies. Fry this for a minute. Now add the soaked Bengal gram and spinach into the pan. Keep stirring this until the spinach goes flaccid and becomes tender. Add salt, khar and 1.5 cups of water. Stir them well and cover and cook this until the Bengal gram gets cooked. Occasionally stir in between. Once the dish turns mushy, it's ready to be served. This side dish is often relished during lunch. The Bengal gram has added a beautiful mushy texture to the garlicky greens and it is blended with the unique flavor of the khar and spiced up by the green chilies. I hope you enjoyed this lovely Northeast Indian style spinach recipe. Do try it out and leave your comments. But before we taste it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.